Hello and welcome students. Today we will our topic is to know what is the crystal structures. So the learning objectives are you should know about the crystal structure, what is the unit cell, the basic unit of the crystal structures, what is coordination number, and what would be the difference between crystal structure and the amorphous structure. So first of all you should know what is crystal structure. There are so many crystals that we use in our regular in our practical life, like sodium chloride crystal, like glucose crystal. So these are the crystal that we are using in everyday life. So crystals are mainly having some specific manner, specific properties, like the atoms in the crystals should be maintained in a regular 3D pattern. That's why all the crystals having specific boiling point, specific melting point. You can see this is a crystal structure. This is also a crystal structure. Now you can see this is a crystal structure of sodium chloride. This is a three-dimension picture of sodium chloride, and the red atoms are sodium and the blue atoms are chloride ions. So each and every sodium atoms are surrounded by the chloride atoms, and each and every chloride atoms are surrounded by the sodium atoms. So from here we can get the concept of crystal coordination number. What is coordination number? Coordination number is total number of surrounding atoms. Like here you can see this is a sodium atom. This is a sodium atom, and it's surrounded by 6 chloride atoms. So this is the coordination number of sodium chloride is 6. Again, this is a okay, take this one. This is a chloride atom, and this atom is surrounded by 6 sodium atoms. So the coordination number of sodium chloride is 6. Now we will go to the unit cell. What is unit cell? Unit cell is nothing else the basic repeating unit of a crystal. Like if you were considering a building, the each and every room is the unit cell, called by the unit cell of the building. This is a building block. So these each and every blocks are called by the unit cell. So the specific manner is each and every unit cell should be similar to each other. Okay, so you can see another thing. These are the crystal sodium chloride crystal again, and you can see all the unit cell are accumulated each other and making the sodium chloride crystal. You can see this, the three-dimension view. So this is a unit cell, and all the unit cells are together making a sodium chloride crystal. So thank you students. This is for the today's topic. So next day we will discuss the more about the crystal structure. Thank you students.